Hi, my name is Zuba Gwathker, and I attended the Pomegranate Workshop, the series called Girls Solve Problems, and on the whole, it was a wonderful experience. I'm so glad I attended it because actually before, I was kind of debating on whether to attend it or not because on one hand, I have never done an interactive workshop or any kind of interactive class outside of school before, but on the other hand, I really love science. So I was kind of debating that before, but I'm really glad that I attended it anyways because Mr. Stewart and the other girls that participated really impressed me. And I think the most interesting part about the workshops was the fact that I got to discuss with the other girls that were participating and attending the workshops because I could just throw out the solutions, throw out my perspectives, and I could just discuss the solutions to the problems that Mr. Stewart gave us. And instantly, I had never met any of these girls before, and instantly the day I met them on the first workshop, I developed a bond with them through science. And even though it was on the Zoom chat, it was super fun talking with them. And the thing that I learned, it was actually about myself, actually, it was that, the previous years before, I didn't know that, I thought I was all alone because none of my friends are that interested in science. They don't read random articles about scientific discoveries, and I can't talk about it with them because they're just, they have talents in other fields, and I have talents in this one. And so I realized that there are other girls my age out there that are also interested in this, also interested in engineering, biology, chemistry, and so many other subjects. So yeah, it was really fun.